Hello everyone, and welcome back to HH Beauty Garden. Here I share my best tips and experiences on how to care for and propagate flowers, especially beautiful roses. If you love gardening like me, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to spread the love for flowers. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to propagate roses at home. It's easy, fun, and you'll only need a few basic ingredients. All right, let's get into it. First, we take a rose stem and cut it down to about 15 cm or 6 inches long. Remove any leaves and thorns from the lower half of the cutting. Tell me in the comments where you are watching from. I'd love to know and connect with gardeners from all around the world. I'm so happy that we're here, sharing and learning together. Now, grab 1 clove of garlic and gently rub it over the cut. This will help disinfect it and protect it from bacteria. Next, we're going to make a natural rooting solution. You will need half a tomato and half a lemon, chopped into small pieces. Mix them together in about 300 ml of water and stir well. Then, soak the rose cutting in this mixture for about 10 minutes. While that's soaking, finely chop the garlic clove and take a piece of aloe vera. Cut it into small pieces. Add about 100 millimolar of water to the aloe and garlic mixture, stir it, and let it sit for about 5 minutes. For the planting medium, we're using clean sand. It's perfect for helping young roots develop. Once the soaking time is up, strain the solution to remove any solids. Use the filtered solution to moisten the sand thoroughly. Now, plant the rose cutting into the moist sand. Cover the cup with a larger cup to seal the flower cup to limit water evaporation from the plant. This will help maintain the humidity and create the perfect environment for rooting. Place it somewhere cool and airy, away from direct sunlight. And after just 5 days, you'll start to see healthy roots and new shoots appearing. Such a rewarding moment. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your fellow garden enthusiasts. Your support helps us grow and create more lovely content for you. See you next time at HH Beauty Garden. Happy gardening, everyone!